Coba berangkat apa?
Iya.
Depan masuk. Situ aja yuk. Ya udah ibu jangan sendiri. Udahlah situ aja.
We can sit here.
Hah?
Yeah, we can sit here. Hah?
Mau depan nggak?
Ah, di sini aja lah. Dia lagi videoin.
Nggak di Melbourne, di naik tram.
Naik tram lagi.
Ada video. Tapi cuma 1 menit loh, Soy.
Iya, ntar semenit gitu loh. Lebih enak malah kayak gini. Gitu.
Oleh, Bendigo Beng. Coba lihat pada.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Jordan Tram tour is about to depart. Anybody wishing to go on 3:30 please make your way and get into the train. As we move along.
Okay.
No, is that right?
G'day, welcome aboard. I'm one of Bendigo's talking trams. On this trip, we'll travel through the vibrant heart of Bendigo and stop for a short visit at the Bendigo Tram Museum. Then we'll head to the North Bendigo terminus at Emu Point, where we'll commence our return journey. The electricity flows down the trolley pole or pantograph after contact has been made with the overhead power line strung above the track. It then flows to the controller, which is operated by the driver, and from there to the traction maker. What looks like a large church on our left is actually a cathedral, the Sacred Heart Cathedral, one of the most impressive in the Southern Hemisphere. The spire is 87 metres high, double the height of the twin Latin spires in front. The bronze cross weighs 3 tons, the same as 2 small cars. Bendigo and their aquatic menagerie. View Street runs up the hill to our left and is Bendigo's arts precinct, featuring the Bendigo Art Gallery, Capitol Theatre and some of our finest buildings. Trams also ran up View Street and along Mitchell Street on our right, with Charing Cross being the busy crossroads for trams heading to North Bendigo, Golden Square, Quarry Hill and Eagle Hawk.
Bendigo Tram Depot. Now we'll just have a quick word about some of the different types of trams you see on display here. The tram that we've just come in on is an old W-class tram that ran for many years in Melbourne. Do you people want to listen to what we're saying about the trams? Have we plenty of time for photos? As I was saying, the tram that we've just come in on is an old W-class tram that ran for many years in Melbourne. The W-class trams were built in various series, different models of them, from the mid-1920s through to the mid-1950s. They didn't run as passenger trams here in Bendigo, but a few of them have been brought up here from Melbourne since it's been taken out of service down there. If anybody knows anything of the Melbourne Tramway service, you'll probably realise that the old W-class trams were the real workhorses of the Melbourne Tramway system for many years.
To anyone who has just joined us, welcome aboard. Our first trams were operated by the 1890 and began running in 1890. They were powered by electric storage batteries and were supposed to have enough power to run 30 miles or almost 50 kilometres. But often they could barely make it out to East Walk and back. When their batteries died, the passengers and crew had to be towed in by horse. No wonder they were dumped after just a few months. Then, in 1892, Bendigo got its first steam-driven trams. These ran fairly smoothly, but their hissing scared the passengers and any passing horses, and they used so much water. Bendigo's modern tram era began in 1903.